What's up, everybody? It's Chris, and I'm back with another tool deals video. And today we have some pretty decent deals, man. So let's go ahead and get into it because some require a little explanation. All right, so first up, we have this rigid. Ow, that hurts. You guys ever just have your nose randomly burn? Ugh. Anyway, have this right angle drill, and it's the kit. So the drill itself is usually, I think, $139, and now we have the entire kit for $139 with a high output 20-hour battery charger case. And this is a good deal. Project Farm made a video comparing all of the drills. He likes the Ryobi a lot. I think the rigid is a better pick, and I talked about this before in a couple videos ago, where I saw the specs on this rigid and the Ryobi because they were brushless. I've only seen two brushless ones, and yeah, he put these things to the test, and they absolutely killed the competition. So this bad boy right here, considering its lifetime service agreement, makes it a very good option. Moving on over to Direct Tools. All right, so over at Direct Tools, they're having a sale, 50% off a lot of things, and quite frankly, some of the stuff is just absurd. You get this Ryobi 2-tool combo kit. It comes with like 1.5 amp hour batteries. So I have it up. 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger. But look at all you're getting for $45. That's a really good deal. Then I actually really like this compact stick vac. I don't think I want the compact version, but $65. Come on, that's very tempting. And the thing I like about these, as opposed to like the Sharks and stuff, is that they take regular Ryobi 18-volt batteries, and you can use those in a number of other tools. So this would be great for a vacuum around the house. You don't have to worry about the batteries running out. Then you have to pay hundreds of dollars for the batteries, which is more than what the vacuum costs in the first place. This is a better alternative. The new ones over at Home Depot, they're like $249. $249. But one thing I like about what everyone was saying is that they stand up on their own. I don't think this one does, but in the reviews from the new ones, because this wasn't on Home Depot site anymore, they stand up on their own. So good deal there. You guys just go through here to see the crackhead prices they have. Impact driver kit, $35. Caulk gun, $25. A 6 amp hour high capacity battery, $60. I don't buy batteries, but I would probably consider that one, honestly, $60. Just remember that they have a flat $15 shipping fee, so try to get more than one thing. This 125-piece drill drive set, $17.50. Reciprocating saw, even I'm sure is not great at all, but it'll work, certainly. It'll get some branches out and some stuff like that and cut through a number of things. $25. So there you have it. I'll just leave this up, and you guys could run through that. You have some rigid things as well. And all the factory blemish rigid tools do qualify for the lifetime service agreement, because factory blemish is same as new, okay? It's the reconditioned ones that won't qualify for the lifetime service agreement. So take advantage of the deals over there at Direct Tools. Moving on over to eBay. Haven't talked about Tools Direct in a while. I tried to order some fans from them, and I can also concur that their customer service is not what it was. It's awful. And one day I'll show you guys the emails, just straight up incompetence. It seems as though that they're growing and they have outsourced their customer service. There's no way it's an American talking to me in those emails. And just I'm trying to be PC. I'm kind of old school, so we used to use words that people didn't get offended by. But they're slow. Okay, they slow. Meaning they're dumb. All right, this is the cleanest way I can say it. Anyway, so if you can buy something and it just come good and you don't have any issues, it's worth the risk. But anyway, this is interesting. This cordless pressure washer, because I just did a video yesterday. I'm going to try to post it today or tomorrow on cordless pressure washers, and this is normally $99, so it's $59 with 30% cash back. And I wanted to kind of try this. They do have a newer version that's brushless, but this right here, that's kind of interesting right there for $59. But anyway, it's quite a few things. You got this Milwaukee Surge M18 fuel impact driver, $89 with an additional 30% off. That's why I just wanted to let you guys know this stuff is coming with extra money off. And lots of people have been asking about these Milwaukee M12 jackets. So here's one, $149 with an additional 30% off. I don't know if the Rakuten is going to work. You could try your hand, but it excludes tools. So the thing about this, I have never tried them. I probably need to. I need to go to Home Depot, buy one, and more than likely won't keep it. Because for me, I prefer, and the heat is in the right place too, but I prefer getting like North Face stuff. North Face jackets keep me very warm, and you can buy a secondhand North Face from eBay or wherever, and they all have lifetime warranties. I made a video about that like a year or two ago now, how my North Face that I bought in 2007 was falling apart, and it was like 2021 or 2020, and I sent it off, and then within 2 weeks I had a gift card in my email for like $280 or $300. I went to the outlet and bought 2 jackets. So very good there. So I would consider that. They had this. This is on sale at Home Depot for $79, but again, this is $89 with 30% off. Same here with the Ryobi fans. Now they have 2 different ones. They have the bucket top one, which is what this is, and then they have the air cannon one. I bought the air cannon. It was $89 and 30% off of that too, so it was like $50-something. And yeah, it was a kit. It came with the fan, it came with a 4-amp-hour battery, it came with the charger, and it looks brand new, mine. But I did hear bad things about the air cannons, not the ones that hook up to the hose, but just the regular air cannons that looked a little different. But this thing is humongous, and I expected it to be the same size as this. And I was just very wrong. So this is cool because it works a couple ways. You can hook it up to a hose, or you could run it as a pump and set it on top of a bucket, and just this little tube will go down the bucket almost like a cordless pressure washer and suck it up and mist the water out. This is $69 as a kit as well. I don't know what size battery comes with it. It says 1.5 amp hour, so maybe a 1.5 amp hour battery. And there you go with that as well. So, yep, $69.99 there, 30% off. I like this one as a better deal though, because you get a 4 amp hour battery, for $20 extra. So, moving on over to Lowe's. This is the deal of the day with this Ego snowblower. I hear this is very good. I hear the Toro is very good. Even though they're better, I would have to go Ryobi, just because I have a bunch of Ryobi batteries already, and I have a bunch of 40-volt outdoor power tools with Ryobi, even though I've heard mixed reviews. Moving on over, we have some Craftsman deals that I brought up. I saw one, which was this on Slick Deals. So you buy the $99 starter kit and you get a free tool, right? And that seems like a good deal, but I'm going to tell you why it's not. So they also have for $199 a 6-tool 20-volt combo kit. So you have your reciprocating saw, a circular saw, impact driver, flashlight, drill, and an oscillating tool, and 2 2-amp-hour batteries, and obviously there's going to be a charger there. Well, for $99, you're getting a 4-amp-hour battery. So yes, you have one 4-amp-hour battery. The other one, you get 2 2-amp-hour batteries. Still 4 amp hours worth of battery, but for certain tools, this 4-amp-hour battery is going to work better. But look at the free tools you get to choose from. The circular saw, and it's the same one, the oscillating tool, and the same reciprocating saw. So for extra $99, you get, a whole bunch more tools. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more tools. It just makes more sense to just do the $199. So, that's what I would do anyway. So this is up to, I feel like this is a better deal. You're still getting, this might not be 2-amp-hour batteries. These might be like 1.5 amp-hour batteries, but I still feel like this might even be a better deal depending on the tools that you want. Anyway, moving on, we have Bosch, buy one, get one. I mentioned some Bosch tools a few days ago. I think I was talking about the Pro Factor impact wrench. I don't remember what site it was at, maybe Acme or Ohio Power Tools. And someone in the comments did remind me that over here at Lowe's, this comes with your choice of a free battery, 2 free batteries, or the starter kit. Now I had mentioned that in the video, but I said it was that, I think Ohio or whoever it was, but it was actually Lowe's who had the deal. So yeah, you get to choose between an 8 amp hour battery and a charger, or 2 8 amp hour batteries. I don't think I need to tell you that the two 8 amp hour batteries is what you want to go with. So yep, same price over here, $259, and you're getting some really, really nice freebies there. I was comparing this to the Metabo HPT over at Toolbarn, which again, all that stuff is still up as well. But obviously, if you wanted to get that pro factor from Lowe's, this is a much more appealing situation over here. And matter of fact, I think wherever I was showing you guys that pro factor impact wrench, it was $279. So yeah, so for real now it's apples to apples. $259. One has a lifetime warranty. I mean, it's up to you there what you want to do, because they both going to be very good. They both have their own little pros and cons. So I like this. The Metabo HPT comes with a 4 amp hour battery, 36 volt, on the 36 volt tool though. So you can plug this into the wall with an adapter. It has a lifetime warranty. But this Bosch here comes with an 8 amp hour battery plus a charger if you want to compare apples to apples, or you can get 2 8 amp hour batteries. That's a pretty sweet deal. You can't go wrong either way. So it's gonna be $259 well spent. And then they have the drill, some other stuff too that come with the same type of situation where you get that 2 8 amp hour batteries, or the actual charger and battery there. And then also, of course, it keeps popping up. You have Rakuten's free cashback extension. If you use the link in the description, you'll get a bonus $30 when you sign up for the first time, on top of the 3% cashback. But if you've already done that, use Retail Me Not, because Retail Me Not is still offering 8% cashback probably until the first. And so that's going to sweeten the pot a whole lot more for you guys. And lastly, I wanted to talk about this Metabo drill. This was at Ohio Power Tools as a kit for $79 the other day. I told y'all it was a glitch. And then the next day, it was saying that it wasn't out of stock, but you can still buy it. Check in the comments and let us know if you were able to actually, if they sent it off to you. Because I got mine yesterday. And as I suspected, it came with this attachment here. It came with 2 4 amp hour high output batteries. It came with a hard case, a charger, the tool is super small, super light, super quiet. And when you detach this chuck, it's different than the one that is brushed. This chuck is a little bit bigger. The ratcheting mechanism is a little bit better. And yeah, it's different. And you could detach this. It's basically a 2-in-1 brushless drill, because you could just stick your hex drivers right on into that directly. So yeah, this was a 2-in-1, incredible deal. It's $75 tool only, which still isn't bad. But I mean, obviously you want to get that kit itself. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.